Let's start with what a smart home can do for you. Well, first off, you can control everything from your phone or even from your watch over the gesture. So if you want to turn on the lights or just change the temperature, no problem. You can do all of that remotely. And then there's a voice control. You can tell the house what to do and it will follow your instructions. And a lot of these smart homes are also connected to the internet. So they can talk to other devices around them. So if there is something wrong with one part of your house, like if it smells bad, then other parts like air filters will know about it and fix themselves automatically. And then there are sensors that are built into these houses so they know about when people come over and when they leave. They know if someone's home or not. They even know if someone is feeling sick. And it's not just for your convenience. These devices are also designed to make our lives easier and safer. They can monitor our surroundings for us so that we don't have to worry about leaving the house unattended anymore and avoid being robbed. The smart home can even remind us when we need to take medicine or schedule a doctor's appointments. Now let's talk about the security. You will be able to unlock your front door with your phone or even just by walking up to it. This makes it harder for criminals to break into your home without setting off an alarm. This kind of technology will also allow you to connect your garage door so that if anyone tries breaking into it while you're away from your home, they'll automatically get caught on a camera and recorded as evidence against them. Next up, appliances. These days we have a refrigerator that tells us when our food has gone bad so we can throw it out before it goes bad. But what if our refrigerator could tell us when something else needs a replacement? So what does this mean for the future of smart homes? Well, we don't know yet, but here are some things I think could happen. We will see more virtual assistants in our homes, like Alexa, Google, or Siri. These assistants will help us keep track of our schedules and help us organize our lives better than ever before. We will see more sensors and cameras in our homes, not just for security reasons, but also for keeping tabs on things like temperature or air quality. This will help us make sure we are living in a safe environment where everyone feels comfortable and secure at all times. What is your vision of smart homes 10 years from now? Let me know in the comments. The best comment will be highlighted next week.